How to report someone on Snapchat. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first you open the app, you click on your chats. Like for example, I click on this account. If any account is harassing you, bullying you, or spamming you, or putting up a scheme of any scam or something, and if you want to report it, once you click on their profile, on the top three lines, you click on the top three lines and you click on manage friendship, and here you'll find an option of report. You click on that and you can fill the information. They are posting inappropriate content, they are spamming, whatever it is. But if you want to take it one step ahead and make sure their account gets deleted, you can go on your Google Chrome browser and you can search for Snapchat support. And once you click on Snapchat support, you will find an option of reporting someone else's account, and you can report someone else's account and fill in all the details, and they'll give you a specific briefing of what exactly that account is doing. Then you can fill that account's username and they will make sure to take that account down. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.